The submission item number 1.
May I please your lordship, my lord? Am I audible, my lord? I am from BC, my lord.
Yes, sir. You are audible and visible both, sir.
Yes.
Don't worry. Yes.
My lord, this is a kind of PL, my lord. We are the
Yes.
yes, we are the members of Palsada Gram Panchayat, my lord. A proposed new RI circle is to be opened in the Palsada and Damjar. Though thus is a
You want a separate RI circle.
yes, my lord.
Yes,
Though
what
thus
is
is a
that?
sorry, my lord.
Take instruction.
We'll take instruction.
Yes. Let them take instruction. Will come on the next day.
Yes, yes.
Pass order.
Yes, Mr. Mishra.
Yes, my lord.
Learned advocate appears on behalf of petitioners and submits comma. His clients are members of his clients are interested in Palsada Gram Panchayat having a new revenue inspection circle.
Yes, yes, my lord.
Revenue inspection circle. Revenue inspection bracket RI circle. Full stop. Next paragraph, Mr. Das, learned advocate, additional government advocate, appears on behalf of state and submits comma, appears on behalf of state, full stop. He is to obtain instructions on the prayer. Next paragraph, list on. Bobby? You want to move on? 15.
My lord,
Item
since it is the
item-
last before my Lord Justice Sinha,
Yes.
I wish best of luck, my lord.
Yes, that's in your order. In your case, Justice Sinha has passed an order.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Yes, have you granted a permission? The query permit or something like that?
Yes, that permission is there. Your lordship will look at para 5 of the writ petition.
Yes.
That the OP number 6 has also set up with chimney. Although earlier the Gram Panchayat bodies have given no objection.
No objection that I've seen, but
Yes.
now they have take a rebound,
So
and now they are opposing. Now when it is the chimney is operated,
yes,
I do not know the air pollution and all everything. Have you taken any steps to minimize the pollution in the air? That has to be done.
I'll have to take the instruction.
Take instruction.
Right.
Come on 15th. Let them come on 15th.
The operation of the
Sir, it is being operated since long. So if the Rome was not built in a day, I think it will not be destroyed in a day as well. Don't worry, wait. Yes. Instruction.
Mr. Tripathi, Mr. Satpathy, learned advocate appears on behalf of petitioner and submits comma. His client seeks redressal of his grievance stated in representation dated 26th April 2024. Address to?
Address to opposite party number 325.
Oh no. Page 16. Address to?
And page 16.
Annexure 3. Address
To OP number 4, sub-collector Chakrabarti.
address to the sub-collector. Full stop. Prayer is for closing chimney bricks set up by opposite party number 6 for the interest of locals and farmers, as it is causing pollution. Full stop. Next paragraph. Mr. Das, learned advocate, additional government advocate, appears on behalf of state and submits comma. He will obtain instructions. He will obtain instructions. What was his submission? He himself operated.
No,
No,
the
opposite party number
villagers
six.
have allowed,
Okay.
para 6.
Acha.
Initially.
And submits comma, permission was duly granted to opposite party number 6. Full stop. However, comma, he will take instruction on the complaint. On the grievance. Next paragraph, please stop.
Item number 3.
Ma'am, sir, side.
There is already a PIA registered.
Already-
pursuant to-
The apex court has already identified.
Yes,
This is one of them.
And there also the state has already filed an affidavit. That is there. Lordship may kindly see, that is WPC PIL. Double
Yes,
one
let it be
six.
tagged with that.
Yes.
Yes.
With the order door oral directive. Let it be tagged and. Ram sir, when is it coming?
16.
So tag this with that.
Yes, ma'am.
On 16.
Item number 4.
The present petitioner is a social organizer,
Is a,
why social organizer and protecting the civil rights of the person concerned. While he has come to know about the illegality done by the Sarpanch and other Tahsildar and everybody, they have not executed the road. Bill has been sanctioned. While he has opposed, the people are suffering a lot. At that time, he has ventilated his regard for the vigilance department to the authority concerned. Nobody is paying any heed to the version of the present
You,
petitioner.
Mr. Das,
My lord.
do you want to file an additional affidavit making specific prayer?
My lord.
Prayer lagi jata.
I have seen that. Sir, even in your petition, you have not spelled out that what has been done. Sir, very, I would say, the clumsy petition.
Leave to withdraw.
Either two ways, either you file an additional or you withdraw and file with comprehensive.
Additional affidavit. That.
Additional affidavit. The Mr. Das, learned advocate, appears on behalf of petitioner. And on query made, submits, comma, leave be granted to his client to file additional affidavit. State in particular, to state with particulars, comma, the grievance. Full stop. Next paragraph. Leave is granted, full stop. The affidavit will be accepted on adjourned date upon advance copy served, full stop, list on.
15.
Yes, that's 15, 16, whatever.
Complete.
Item number 5.
It's a conversion of a land. There is a provision in the act itself.
The dereservation process is there. Whether dereservation has been carried out or not, I'll have to take instruction and file.
Take instruction because the conversion proceeding has to be initiated and thereafter you can do it. I do not know under the Land Reforms Act, is there any provision?
Odisha Government Land Settlement Act,
Okay,
section 3A, there is a provision for dereservation.
so exhaust that remedy has to be, let them give.
I'll take.
All right, Mr.
instruction
Satpathy, learned
whether they
advocate,
have taken or not.
appears on behalf of petitioner and submits, comma, there is unlawful misuse of Gochar land pertaining to Khat number 67, plot number 2083 in Gailpur village under Bhadrak Tehsil. District Bhadrak? Tehsil?
Bhadrak Tahsil, Bhadrak district.
Okay, under Bhadrak Tehsil. He seeks interference. Next paragraph, Mr. Das, learned advocate, additional government advocate, appears on behalf of state and submits, comma, he will obtain instructions. Full stop. Next paragraph. Please stop.
16.
Still spare 22, you should already work up any construction subject to development.
At least give the instruction of.
Sir, if any construction is done without a conversion being allowed by the competent authority, you know the consequences, no difficulty.
Item number 6.
Yes. Nobody appears? Pass over for the day.
Yes, ma'am. Item number 7.
Petitioner challenge the inaction of the Department of Vigilance, not inquiring the events of the not taking the action against the corruption of the OP number 6. The logic I see annex of 4-page petition. I have made the representation before the vigilance to take action.
They have already said that there is already an order passed by the Lokayog
Yes, sir.
and the matter is already in session.
They have inquired and submit the report before the local. The logic I see annex of 6. In that case, they have submitted the inquiry report for the honorable local. But my grievance has not been inquired.
What?
The logic can see page.
I think the Lokayog will take care of that. Is it not a transgression or overlapping?
The vigilance department said that the my grievance is similar to the grievance which has been directed by the honorable local.
Right. So can there be a two parallel inquiry to be conducted? If one
No, Miller.
authority is doing it.
My grievance may be added to that inquiry, but that has not been added. That is my grievance.
Lokayog already passed the investigation.
There is
There is
to take action against the
OP number 6.
FIR.
that engineer.
Yes, Miller.
And then you're saying to take suitable departmental action.
But already the inquiry report shows
So
that
you have not made Lokayukta party.
no, Miller, because
Then if you think that the Lokayukta is not acting,
yes,
you have not made it a party.
the look, I have
And for the departmental action, you've gone to the Lokayukta.
I have not been there.
Somebody else has.
Somebody else is there.
Raising the similar remarks. Lokayog has taken up the issue.
And the vigilance department said that.
So you approach the, we'll give you leave to approach the Lokayukta and
Because it's not functional. Miller.
Take instruction and say that what you have done regarding this. You can't shove the responsibility that it has already been taken over by the Lokayog, so I will not say anything on that.
If I may draw your attention to Annex 6, the inquiry report, the liability has been set against opposite party number 6 at page number 59, the last paragraph.
But something is to be done.
Specific instruction regarding his grievance, whether it is addressed here and
Right.
taken care of that.
Take instruction and come.
Mr.
Yes.
Soing.
Yes.
Mr. Soing, learned advocate, appears on behalf of petitioner and submits cover. His client's grievance is inaction on part of opposite party numbers 4 and 5 to register FIR against opposite party number 6, ex-executive engineer, mechanical division, Hirakud, for corruption and misappropriation of public money. Full stop. This court directs Central Vigilance Commission or Central Bureau of Investigation to inquire into the case and take necessary action. Full stop. Next paragraph, Mrs. Das, learned advocate, additional government advocate, appears on behalf of state and submits cover. There is already a report at Annexure 6, full stop. However, she will take instructions specific to grievance made by petitioner in the petition. Grievance made in the petition. Okay. Next paragraph, list on.
24th.
Great.
Item number 8.
What is the meaning of the word construction of RI circuit? Construction or constitution? I do not know. Construction of RI circuit.
We act constitution.
That's what
Revenue
I
inspection.
expect. So construction. You have used the word construction. That is what I was.
It should be demarcated or constituted cannot build.
Reorganization of RI.
Reorganize.
Correct, that's the appropriate word.
Same with
Item
Item
one.
Take instruction.
item number one, जो है ना,
Yes.
RI circle, that item number one, Mr.
Item number 8.
No, you are in 8, Mr. Maji.
My lord.
Mr. Maji for petitioner and Mrs. Das, additional government advocate for state, was same as number one.
Item 9.
So why you're taking so much of time to construct and complete the road?
This representation was only submitted on 11th March.
Several approaches have been made.
Madam, if you have started
Nobody-
the
nobody
construction, that you should finish the construction. Their grievance is that you are keeping this,
Metallic, only metallic and dust.
and they are saying that a lot of the dust is coming,
My lord. Unable to move.
As part of the road
Breathe.
completed,
not move,
My lord.
unable to breathe because of the dust.
My lord.
What
That's
a
such an-
genuine grievance.
Mrs. Das, 4 weeks to report road completed.
because
No instructions here. Complete the road.
My lord, instruction necessary. Nobody listening.
अरे इंस्ट्रक्शन लेके क्या होगा, रास्ता चाहिए.
They will not completed the road.
That's true, that we have seen, they have seen that they started thereafter, they did not, and it is left unfinished.
My.
Why don't you complete it? If you have taken a initiative, then,
Make a good road so that it doesn't get washed away in the monsoon.
yes.
4 weeks.
My lord, it is also belongs to Cutter district. From 40 kilometers from your.
Yes, madam, what,
Please, one line, if I may read, the part of the road was already completed. Thereafter, some expansion work was going.
Yes.
What is the status of the road to that effect, if I may take instructions? If, because my lord, this representation was only made.
give us a report within 2 weeks.
1 week. रास्ता complete.
Yes, 1 week. Give us status report within a week.
1 week for the
My
report.
brother's desire is 1 week, you give.
And then from 3 weeks to complete the road.
Only
It was
4
total.
kilometer office is there. Only 4 kilometers. Cutter is the headquarter.
Mr. Patro,
My.
learned advocate, appears on behalf of petitioners and submits, the road from Katrapada to Lenkishai Road,
Lancashire Road.
Lenkashai Road
My lord.
in Nischintokoili block of Kotak district is not being completed. Full stop. There is generation of dust pollution. Full stop. He seeks interference. Next paragraph, Mrs. Das, learned advocate, additional government advocate, appears on behalf of state and submits, she will obtain instruction on instructions on particulars of the road. As part of it is already completed. Full stop. Next paragraph. State has a week to issue instructions by way of a report for following directions to complete the road.
Request 2 weeks time.
Just to find out. Will you go yourself?
Convince my brother.
When will you go to find out?
Then make telephonic call
Oh,
back.
wait.
Small request, if it may be 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
17th.
Next paragraph, the report will be accepted on adjourned date, full stop. List on.
17th.
You bring the report in duplicate. We are not asking you to serve advance copy, but you must give them if you want us to see.
Item number 10.
It's not possible for you to make a small petition. You have to make a thick one.
I thought this is painful to happen in last case of lordship, but here there is a public interest litigation, lordship. In fact,
Have you participated in that auction?
no, lordship, it is public and litigation. In fact, lordship, rule 27 speaks.
I am asking
No,
you simple.
no.
Have you participated?
No. There is no right way with the. Here, lordship, that.
Your prayer is not specific?
But lordship,
Inquiry about what?
lordship, public, I only pray, lordship, because the huge loss of public money.
You file additional affidavit.
Very clumsy way of drafting the petition, sir.
Lordship, in fact, this is the.
You have said various provisions of the rules
That's
are violated, but you have not said what violation.
Lordship, absolutely correct. That is I was. But lordship, it will file a reply. Everything will come out.
No, you have to file first. File
Lordship,
additional
First thing you'll have to make out a case that what reply they will give in, I would say, in vacuum or what.
But the representation, lordship, is.
Oh,
Lordship, the representation is in detail. That's why, lordship, without any documents, I am relying upon the representation of the petitioner. He has given all provision of law, lordship.
The additional affidavit you settle and file.
Lordship, the state is competent. Lordship, the rule 27 of the OMM's rules speaks of only for augment of the government revenue. Any violation there too, the state is loser, lordship. So that's why any violation, because there is no competitor, there is no bidder, lordship.
Mr. Doloi, kindly come to your prayer and tell us whether we can act on it as it is, or you want to file affidavit.
That's true, lordship. I was formulating the points, lordship, because there are no specific documents to show. That's why, lordship.
but argument dehoes the pleading. Can it be taken into account? I am just asking.
But my humble submission, lordship.
There is no pleading to that effect.
But
There is no prayer. The reliefs have to be.
Lordship, kindly see my representation, Annex 3.
We have.
That is in detail, lordship. I have given the
You
every.
make an additional affidavit, then this is my prayer.
Lordship,
Or you make an application to amend your prayer.
no, lordship, I will file an affidavit. At the same time, we will let them also obtain instructions, so it can be concluded, lordship. This public interest. If lordship at all I succeed, the state will get benefits.
Yeah, representation consideration, Judge.
No, lordship.
No.
You will.
Entered everything into order.
Where is your representation?
Lordship, Annex 3, lordship, my representation. Annex 3 series. I have approached to everybody. Secretary.
Page. Which is the one?
Page 43, lordship. That's from page 43.
You will consider this?
Only one submission. This auction was settled back in 2020, my lord.
The auction to be held.
Already they have completed, lordship.
The successful bidder was already declared back in 2020, my lord, at page number 30.
What order issued?
Everything is done, my lord. The agreement-
Then what is the urgency?
So that's what I'm saying, lordship. Rule 27 speaks of.
Sir, then what is an urgency? Then we'll have to amend it. Sir, we can't grant you a leave.
If you want the court to interfere, at least court should have something as a prayer. Otherwise, there will be allegation against the court. On what basis it has passed an order?
Lordship.
You withdraw and file a better petition.
Lordship shall file additional affidavit.
No. Better petition is necessary.
I'll file additional. Lordship, I'll file an additional affidavit.
अपने कौन पार्टी ऐसे चाहता बोले थे?
Lordship, I'll file an additional affidavit.
You will withdraw and file better petition, and this time settle it yourself.
Last case would not be ordered, lordship.
Next thing Pass over.
They'll obtain instruction, lordship, to suffice, lordship.
Not this.
Sir, pleading has to be completed.
That's what lordship.
You can't bank upon the omnibus prayer.
Because
Such other or further order or orders as this court may deem it.
inquiry, lordship. If the claim
Not an
will take an
independent.
inquiry, suffice, lordship.
The
Everybody has stood up.
So, lordship, so,
Your submission time is over.
lordship, every prayer, lordship, I'll refer to opinion 10, he'll take a
It is
decision.
simply passed over, no order. Today, do what you want to do.
Item number 6.
Nobody is. Pass over for a day.
My lord, On behalf of I'm the president of the bar association, and on behalf of all the members, executive members and other office bearers, and also on behalf of the bar, we are extremely happy that my Lord Justice Tandon has become our Chief Justice, and we are equally unhappy that most popular judge of our High Court leaving us. Sorry. So this is since my Lord Justice Sinha's last.
According to you, is the mixed emotional reaction.
So this is the last case of my Lord Justice Sinha in our High Court. So he is also missing. Just I'll say.
I remember that particular poem which I read in a class 10 when I was studying. What is this? Joy and overwoven finds. So I think. So one is a joyous and the woo is both are woven fine.
Mr. P.K. Ray came to my chamber and mentioned this poem.
We are obliged to the Honorable Justice Sinha and also will miss it just very much. Rest will say in there. Yes.
Well, Justice Tandon missed me. Chief Justice Tandon missed me when I left Calcutta. So he came to see me here.
Every lawyer from moving out of my Lord Justice Sinha is happy with a smiling face. Either he loses or wins, doesn't matter. He's not unhappy with his.
My Lord,
you have a Chief Justice who is going to shake the bar, get the best out of them, and then give you judgment.
After my London seniors submitted on behalf of bar, I, in absence of the Advocate General, on behalf of the states, also on behalf of the Office of Advocate General, we express our very good wishes to Honorable Justice Sinha. What my London senior said, each and every member of the bar. We are happy, at the same time we are also honest. We are happy that Justice Sinha is going to the biggest High Court of the country. At the same time we are unhappy because Justice Sinha, what rightly said by my London senior, that even if advocate loses a case, even then he is not unhappy. Because the way Honorable Justice Sinha deals with the matters, and sense of humor is second to none.
You will be surprised. Wait.
So we pray Lord Jagannath.
I tell you very frankly that we are groomed in that particular atmosphere where the humors of the court was always embraced by the members of the bar and everybody. So we are really dealing with a very, say, avid subject or the rough subject we all. So sometimes the humors really create a vibrant atmosphere in the courtrooms.
That lessens
that is what we are groomed.
That lessens the stress and strain of the lawyer.
Just to make the things so light. So that, thank you.
So pray Lord Jagannath.
Yes, I'll have opportunity to make friends with a bigger bar.
Yes. Thank you.
Okay.